Kim rapper Roshikane Pavembe FM for interview ya album yanga Breaking Point. You know what it is, Descendment Kim rapper aka Star Venda, the biggest rapper, the smartest rapper in Venda. Roshikane Pavembe FM. So Ari Serijene Vembe FM for interview ya Descendment Kim rapper. Let's go guys. Yeah, let's go. Come over here, guys. Roshikane Pavembe FM. My name is Descendment Kim rapper, aka Star Venda. We are out here at Bembe FM for my interview for the album Breaking Point. So, guys, let's go in. Let's go in. Camera is rolling, guys. Go get the album on all digital platforms. Come through, come through, come through. Come through, guys. Come through. Biggest rapper is arrived. The smartest rapper, the biggest. Coronavirus, we have to sanitize. We have to sanitize you, Mr. Cameraman. Come through, come through. Come through, guys.
This.
What is it?
Move it right. Yeah, okay.
One of the interview.
Okay.
Of course.
And the device.
Okay. Well, guys, as not really sorry. Back with the manga phone, so don't worry. We are here to Bembe FM.
But Venda.
Descendment Kim rapper. Keep
But when you're from
Bembe FM. Roshika. Go get the album. It's available on all digital platforms. Come through to the studio. Come through, guys. Come through, come through, come through, come through. This is the station. My name is Descendment Kim rapper. This is my documentary. Yeah. Belum mandi dah. Guys.
Snatching belly out the bucket, writing on my wrongs for these homies out here thugging. Pray for benediction, pretty women on my premise.
Yeah, this is Descendment Kim rapper. Welcome to Bembe FM interview. Ya Breaking Point album yanga. So ma bari one ka platform zote. Mo streaming. Do support amotion. Bambari. Venda watu bado bana stay for pene ya gold. Gold. Yo reachable status kana platinum status bambari. Album ina nyimbo za 10. Yani the one and the digital platform zote. Mashopo yote online. Go get it if you Breaking Point. That Descendment Kim rapper. Spelling ni chika kepe yanga. On my cap, Descendment Kim rapper. On any digital platform. Follow me on Twitter, Descendment Kim rapper. Facebook, Star Venda and Descendment Kim rapper.
Napaka Bembe FM as RTC 89.1 to 102.4. Kawesa panda no rumele mlezeka sa Facebook. Chipinga chichi ntendele ndidovala. Nga unenda nga kona. Bembe FM 89.1 to 102.4. Ndiyo ne yone reloaded kana. Ba WhatsApp eleka WhatsApp line 07988677727. Nene palone na one. Bashika une. Barikwama. I played a song. It's called Benediction by August Alsina. Farnazandana Rick Ross. Ngam Ramsindo Tramba. Unarine Venda Wave ana Mesophyll. Izokoreweka 14 minutes before the hour 12. Wacha watachisa Vembe FM. Ndokandi wandoni za kasho mara zono ndokando wanganyi atuko dozembesa zonanda ngeta zone kamsinduri dina bendito ya Rwimboni rwaramuzika aripano ndichibuya ninabanda bandi chiko thoma nyambezano naye baya mudiba awunori basimdibe baya mudiba kabasiko dibori oro kandiwa ndoni dza khasho kha ili ḓuvha ḽa namusi kho luimbo lufini
Luffy made it track number 2 album yanga Breaking Point ndado feature Nego ola mthanga weda stadium ngama truck
ḓo announcer akuna matamba ni tembi no
Uruju.
Was so busy just to listen to my music. Had to get a record deal. Had to get my family meal. I was out to pay the bill. Had to get myself a name. I wanna take away the pain. I'm looking at the mirror. Will I ever be a mirror? Will I ever reach my breaking point? People love the so unknown. Always lock me in my room, try to write a new song so you can vibe to that song. I'm trying to write my wrongs and put them in a song. Tell my mother I made it. Now tell my mother I made it. Even though I had fake friends, I struggled so hard to push the album. I keep your outlets like an island. Life was hard, man. I'm not doing this for myself, man. I'm doing this for my kids, my wife, my life. We never got exposure. Now I'm all up in your face like I told you. I never give up on my dreams, I'm tired of this poor life. I wanna drive a car that I own. I think I deserve all the awards that I'm gonna get. I hope you treasure my music and never forget. Looking at me cause I'm new to the game. Now I'm getting fame. I'm adding new things like I'm changing the game.
Ndichisoleni omuna vayamudivo vayamudivo ndinaye nepandoni za khasho munhu ari kunditanganedza ka youth forum ndimasheloni masiyara
ndimasiyara udhi bamba mupfandi
nari une pedzi nawo
ndishapuma ini
yeah man ndishapusa ndobudza vatachesera ruimbo zvabudi rupfi inyi ndirwa inyi orushuma na inyi
ruimbo orunoni rupfi Made It ndirwa Sandman Kim Rapper which is me ndo feature Nego ndandina Nego kuru ruimbo
Nego ndo la woita stadium chila
ngamashika ngazi zikote na gana
yeah man otherwise ruimbo ruru chikwamba ngamini comes
Made It irukutamburi I've made it karo ndo ndikuchimbira karo ndo richa point yenda kutoduricha so far
Sandman
Kim Rapper ndi artist ya hip hop Valfre one the artist ya Thomas Zoimba nga roughly 2009 usika zvino I think ni mwanga of 12 if I'm not mistaken ndikale mamna ndiko hustler
man wakonda mini game ini vamuna chine kamusi chatofarera vomurapa kaure zvichie chipinga chirapfu uri kamusi muzika usvike vatuni ngandira ine vakotodisa ngayo
vomurapa avakova smart Nendi smart ma bamba.
Ndotanya
blay. I think I'm the smartest rapper Venda, yes.
Yeah. Okay, here's that message. Ni vanonga vatu vanji vanidhiva ngalo pyo imbo kana vanidhiva rezvo.
Ish.
Atiti.
Vanidhiva ngalo ngorwimbo ronofindi tambira kandishi. Dzimwewo rariso mwambavo.
Man.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Okay, hachi kuita yamine. Ardo twambanga ila track.
Ila tereke ndo nyazo ngoli mudu banda onori rinesa the artist ti ndikale ndikuvika mamna ndikwambanga asuzvu nati nazo mara ndaumuro rinaya ni nditambira kadishi why this ambinga zvinenda tozviita in fact vatu ndaonori vakurelate ngori mean it's real bro, I'm not faking it nditambira kadishi zoko.
Okay, nako avoida uambanga dzigoloi na dzichallenge na zvinji zvine anezvishikerera
ngozvibona
zvine nashikerera ndiuri na machero ni bata
makandish ende vomrepa vanji vakuamba zvine havana so ne ndodibvisa kezwa zvitu. Yeah man.
Sandman kimurapa.
Yeah.
The meaning was when it comes to nonoguda ubachana to the one any part ya industry.
Ndonogudori persistence is key, man.
Yeah.
Dzido daro feras yes, but just keep on persisting and pushing. Now bana confidence, bro. And be smart.
Yeah,
be smart. Artist over smart. It's not about working hard. It's about working smart.
Yeah.
And
then this concept is never repa bazumburi.
Yeah, man. Check out no repa bakuita nini.
Yeah.
Niite zvine avakuita zvone. That's how you stand out. Because one of the artists they are good, bro. Mara, nobody knows them.
When a problem.
Yeah, because they're not thinking smart. They're working hard, but they're not working smart. That's the problem. That's the only problem.
Yeah, man. Otherwise, what are you working on?
Oh, they already important. I just dropped an album, If You Breaking Point. So already in track number 2, Rufi made it.
Yeah.
So a album ndio ninaenda kupusha wena right now. They release online on all digital platforms. So I'm just pushing the album for now. My focus 100% ka album. Yeah.
Supporto iyo nene batu bakufuna zvinena kuita or people are hating. Atiko hana ndodzira na the haters at some point.
Too much, bro.
So batu bari mini nene supporto iyo nene.
Yeah, but I think you can't know there is about one hater. But in the story, there's nothing such as bad publicity, bro. This is the entertainment industry. Any publicity is good, bro. If people are talking about you, irrelevant. People have to be talking about you in order for you to be relevant.
Somebody ask ndori ka Sandman kimrepa udona moment ya the jokes.
Yeah.
Adavana moment ya
real music,
reality
through
music.
Stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm giving them both sides.
Entertainment.
That's why ndo split a brand ya start a vendor. Uita the joke. Sandman Kim rap and the home ziko never kufa. Sandman Kim. Yeah, it's a brand split. The WWE.
Yeah, man.
Smackdown and Raw, bro.
Yeah. They were start a vendor. If not also be start a vendor.
The Sandman Kim rap is the same dude. It's just that I own both brands. I'm like Mr. McMahon, the owner on a SmackDown. They are competing against each other.
Yeah, and there's a coaching as well.
Yeah, I win,
bro.
When doesn't make him rapper gonna start a vendor blows up, I win, bro.
So, hayani start a vendor bamujia.
Hayani bana problem with the content I was putting out. Like, YouTube. I was like, yo, just. You know, I'm still gonna blow up on TV, man. People are still gonna talk lies about me on the newspaper. So about the way it is, I'm trying to teach them or adjust it. Because this is the entertain about. And then the joke and the joke was a personal. That's just jokes, man. It's jokes.
No, you know, kaba baby chweshpinga basoko fori nivani ko papangela mata.
Yeah.
Especially ndo seza oledila no man.
Ngozibona.
You know.
Niyasdi. Ngozibona.
Just strict, but humble, bro.
Yeah.
So
I think church, you know, because she's a church lady.
Yeah.
That's why so she felt uri nendo lamtene arun ke uri but but my family affected and gave us strength and quit. So I just feel I just want to teach them to adapt.
So ngombe ngombori aninga dirisha kuita.
Oh, keep on hating people. I love you guys. Keep on talking about me, bro. You couldn't be me, sir. You know. It was planned, man. I planned it from the beginning. I knew that's why I'm saying things smart.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But what's the plan, man? Niko plan na ushika guy with this.
I just want to be bigger than Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
once I become bigger than Michael Jackson, I'm retiring.
Aninga retire araanza to swika hapo pitch.
Michael Jackson is like the god of
Aninga stop
music.
kuita zvene kuita
Until I beat Michael's records. Until I outsell
you
him.
got bigger dreams.
I'm a big thinker. That's the problem. These people when in the Vanavoka industry, they're way behind, bro. They don't get me.
Send me yo. Chifunga chitokubadisho amba.
Thanks man.
Kare onese vatechirisi. Mene ngavabudza vori mini vani kwamise hani vachikotoda comes to zvanu vachikotoniteverera. Of course dzifaneni nadzo. Vakufuna content yangu.
2020 I'm the like ndine artist to trend this out. Every video man.
You know what I mean? What? So vani kwamisani vacho?
Okay, ka Facebook ndi na account yono fi Sandman Kim Rapper. You can get me there. Star Chavenda on Facebook, Sandman Kim Rapper on Twitter. You can also get me ka email sandmankinrapperentertainment@gmail.com. 0729534143. You can call me for bookings and collaborations and etc.
Sandman Kim Rapper.
Yeah.
The one and only.
Yeah.
Otherwise, vaticheresi chipinga chonosekenesa nendifi bamba mupandi. Zvinaradeta zvone aritangane next Saturday between 11 and 1 o'clock. Ndiene ponere vari kwamba aneya anonga anene rikomba one.
Star Chavenda, Sandman Kim Rapper. Ebana ndoimana legend mama. Kane is a legend. Bamba mupandi. Ribonga man the interview. Thanks a lot. I'm really honored.
Abaite zofanira abasapata homeboys. Sinanda with content ka Farahani. He's smart man. This guy is unique man. So abaiba download the album man.
Yeah, you got digital platforms on. Yeah, Breaking Point.
Breaking Point.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Amanda, Jenny's name.
All I wanna auto na kapi when they miss me. Kwamba chipiwa mataku when they miss me. All I wanna auto na kapi when they miss me. Kwamba chipiwa mataku. All I wanna auto na.
Very good. Sure.
Uya kondesa u blind way. Overseer woman.
Yeah, the interview is done, man. The interview is done. So now we need to leave. Let's go. Yeah, man, the interview is done. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. My name is Sandman Kim Rapper, aka Star Chavenda. Rokoto was, we're leaving. The interview was dope, was good. Thank you for tuning in. Documentary, it's still going on. Thank you for listening. Bembe FM Reloaded, 102.4 to 89.1, I think. And cut.